Hello everyone, today we are going to install Python on Windows. So for that we need to follow these steps. First we need to download python.exe from the given URL. So we will go to the python.org. Here we can download this Python. When we click on this button, python.exe will be downloaded into the folder. And now we are going to right click and run as administrator. So it will ask this option, add python 3.10 to path. We need to check this option because this is going to update the path variable in the environments, and then we need to click on install. So this is taking some time, so I'm going to pause it. All right, so setup is finished. There is online tutorial, we can click and we can find the tutorial, and there is documentation also. Now we are going to close it. Let's see. The next step is we need to make sure the path is saved in the environment variable. So we need to check it out. Environment variable, and in the path you can say, in the user variable you can say that path to the Python folder, and Python 3.10 and scripts folder is saved. So we can say that Python is installed. Now we need to check the commands. So for that we need to run as administrator cmd. The command is python -- version. So python -- version, sorry, so python version. You can see python 3.10 is installed, and we can also check pip -- version. So pip is a package manager for Python, like we have package manager npm for node packages. Now the next step says we need to create the script file and test it. So we are going to create a file which is first.txt. then we are going to open it in Notepad. We are going to write the command print hello. All right, so we are going to save it, and we need to change the extension as py. So all the Python files are having extension .py, so we are going to change it. You can say this is txt, now this is Python file. All right, so now we are going to run this command. So first we need to go to that folder, and we can run first python space first.py. So you can see the print command is working. So this is how the installation is complete. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.